done a very simple card using the retiring translucent florals stamp set today. I am using the Les Shoppes, also retiring DSP, and just creating a very basic matted base using Daffodil Delight, and you will see me also using the Smokey Slate as well. It's a very monotone card, this one. So I'm just creating a banner cut for a simple strip that's going to anchor our main element, which is a stamped image. Pop it to one side. There are no real dimensions that I'm giving for this one because I actually eyeballed everything. It doesn't have to be perfect. So stamping the floral part of the image, and then you will see me inking up in a Smoky Slate. You don't have to use the traditional colours. Always check your stamp to make sure, particularly these fine line stamps in the rubber, that you're not getting any overhang inking on that stamp, which is why I swiped it with my finger. Adding a very simple leaf to the side of the stem, and I'm done. You will notice I did do some practice stamping on the back first. That was just to make sure that my stamps were inking up really well. And now I'm creating a very simple sentiment strip to add to the front, and it is using the same set, and it says "You're the best," and I have used the Smoky Slate on the Daffodil Delight to add it to my card. I always try to hand cut this part. It doesn't turn out to be exactly accurate, but I find it sometimes it's a bit easier if you hand cut, so you can get exactly the width that you would like. Glue this one at the bottom of your white cardstock, which is your focal point, and you are almost done. So my handy tip today, which is one I share all the time, is to grab your Stampin' Blend and create a matching rhinestone. So I actually use some of my pens that have started to fray for this job, which is what happened today. My gemstones, it was a warm day, so it was they were a bit sticky, and I do use a scalpel to pop these on. It just means I can get them in exactly the right spot and exactly where I want them to be when they're not quite so sticky. So there you go, an easy one.